Justin and Breanne have been together since they were teenagers. They've spent the last 6 years in a 1980s-style home they thought was perfect for them.
When I first saw this house, it just looked like home. It's in a very good neighborhood.
He loves this neighborhood. I love this neighborhood.
But then you start adding kids onto it, and everything was fine after Hudson. Everything was fine after Jude. But seriously, we're about to have a third child.
I have to stay here, and I'm gonna fight for it.
I want to leave before the baby comes.
There's way too much stuff to do. We can't do that. She's gonna be here before I know it. I mean, clearly.
We've got 4 months.
Beautiful.
We have 3 bedrooms. Where's the third kid go?
We're
missing
one boy,
a 4th bedroom.
2 boys. Boys can share, and the little lady can get her own room.
Not gonna happen. Every room in this house is a playroom. They all have toys and laundry in it.
I love the craziness of the mess, the chaos in the house. It doesn't bother me.
I mean, just look at the mess behind me. All right, let's go to laundry then.
If he has a problem with the laundry, he could help.
So you've got your laundry room, or excuse me, the laundry room that's off the kitchen. It's just a bunch of crap thrown into a closet.
I like to do a lot of things around the house.
She's redone the kitchen, she's redone the master bathroom.
I put a lot of sweat equity in this kitchen and in the bathroom.
I do love what you've done. It doesn't help our problem right now. Well, this is Justin, Kevin on shirts.
Daddy's on the phone.
Another huge problem that we have is when I work from home, I can't have those kids in the background, and my office right now is in the middle of the living room.
There's always room for improvement in any home, in any situation.
Gone fishing. Right now, I mean, you go upstairs, and first off, the staircase is literally like
I'll
this.
give you that. It's pretty steep.
Then we have to deadbolt it just so the kids can't get up there because we're so scared that they're gonna get hurt.
All we need to do with these stairs is just to make them safe.
We also only have 1 guest bathroom down here. And it's such an eyesore. It's always filled with those cloth diapers. I'm tired of my bathroom smelling like poop. It smells so bad.
You don't have to wash them.
I know Justin hates the diapers.
Just 2 bathrooms for 5 people. The math just does not add up there, and I think we need another bathroom. We've already ran out of room.
That's what you think, but I don't think so. Life is pretty crazy right now with 2 kids, and with the 3rd on the way, it's gonna get more insane, but it's nothing that I can't handle or this house can't handle.
It was different when we had 1 kid. Now we're about to have 3. I don't even have a clue what I'm going into.
I've done an evaluation on your home, and current value is $280,000. How does that sound?
I think that's a
I'm
little
not.
low.
Kind of disappointed, to say the least. We put a lot into this.
You're sort of one of the only ones that actually doesn't have a garage, and that plays a big part in this neighborhood. So, what is the must-have list to get you out of your house?
It has to have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 living spaces, a living room, and a family room. We need a home office for him, a garage. I also need a fence in the backyard, need a screened-in porch, and also very close to this neighborhood.
I'm a little curious about something, because one of the major issues you have in your house is a laundry issue. It's all over the place. Obviously, you need a proper laundry space in the house that you're gonna move to, correct?
That would be nice.
So, what's the budget for the new house?
$400,000, David.
Okay.
Good luck.
No doubt, the list you gave me is huge.
That's why I'm giving you a list like that, because I'm not going anywhere.
I think there's a combination of things happening in this house. One is that obviously it's smaller than you need now. It was perfect when you moved in 6 years ago, and you're growing as a family. But I need to know what your must-have list is for you to stay.
We're gonna need 2 additional bedrooms, create an additional bathroom, renovate a bathroom for the guest, create a family room, garage. The garage is gonna be key. She can finally have a place to put her tools instead of also right there next to the kitchen.
Sweet.
We have to have a laundry room. And finally, my own home office. My kids are growing up. Right now, I work from home, and I'd still like to continue to be able to do that and be around with the little kids. So the home office definitely does hold some pretty big weight in this whole in the grand scheme of things.
Tell me how much money you plan to give me.
We're planning on $120,000.
$120,000.
That's a lot of money.
Yes, it is.
They are going to love this location. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's got a beautiful family room. It's got an eat-in kitchen, huge backyard, 2-car garage. It's got a finished basement. Is it perfect for Breanne? I don't think anything's perfect. How could you not love that house?
It's charming. I like the mature trees.
Let's go see the house.
Oh, I'm excited.
Does it sort of start to have a little bit of the feel that you like?
Yes.
And right over here, the eat-in kitchen with the beautiful window overlooking the front yard.
The window's gorgeous. This is a nice size. I like this. I like that my family could be right here. I could be in here, and I have a little bit of sight lines into another room.
So far, so good. And
Works for me.
access to your 2-car garage.
So you can get all your stuff out of the kitchen now. We don't have to put it there next to the washer and dryer. And
We got lots more. Let's go. This is the dining room,
Oh.
which I know you don't care for.
get rid of the
I
chandelier.
don't like the dining room part, but that's okay.
Get rid of the chandelier.
Wow.
What's the problem?
Yeah.
This would be a perfect craft room.
Yeah.
This is nice, David.
All right.
Roll with it.
The family room. Let's have a look.
Okay.
A very interesting room. Nice high ceilings, brick
Yeah.
fireplace.
I like the feel.
So you're thinking about moving in then?
I haven't crossed it off yet, as you can tell. Yeah.
And Justin? Enough said. Bedroom number 1.
Oh, this is a nice size. Really big closet.
Second bedroom next door.
It's also a good size.
You asked me for 4 bedrooms.
Yes.
This house has 4 bedrooms.
Okay.
With Hilary deciding on the dormer for the second floor, construction kicks off in high gear. The unsafe stairwell is moved and reconfigured, and the ceiling downstairs is opened up so the new joist can be installed to support the weight of the full second floor.
I don't see complete charm yet.
At the same time, David takes Justin and Breanne all over town looking for a house that might cater more to Breanne's unique sensibilities.
Oh, God. I don't like it. This isn't charming to me.
It was nice inside.
It was just way too much money. Keep going. You got a lot of work to do, buddy.
After seeing the progress back at their house for herself, Hilary welcomes Justin and Breanne home for a look.
Wow. Woo!
Looks a little different.
Wow, Hilary.
So the scary, steep stairs are gone.
Yeah.
I actually think
This
it
is
makes
beautiful.
it look fabulous. And we picked up a
This
closet
doesn't even
right
look
here.
like my house. This is so perfect.
You know how I told you we had to beef up all of these joists? You can see that happening right here. I am basically giving you this entire second floor. So you've basically got double the living space.
She's speechless.
I just love this home. Now I can see that you might be doing something with
It's
it.
a lot of work, I can see.
So the difference is now there's a dormer going on. Instead of lifting the roof, we're working with what we have up there. You're still gonna get your 2 bedrooms, you're gonna get your bathroom, you're gonna get your office, and you've got a lovely stairway that's taking you up there.
Oh, I'm excited. That's great news.
So basically, to make it right, there's still an awful lot of work to do, and it's costly. I do have to pull back on a couple of things. The little green bathroom, I don't want to have to do anything with that bathroom. I mean,
Okay.
just repaint it.
That's it.
No, that's not it. The laundry, it has to stay where it is right now. The budget tells me I can't do it.
Oh, no.
$120,000 went real quick.
Well, that's what happens in construction. I don't feel good about this,
Me neither.
and I'm gonna keep fighting for every dime,
Thank you.
and that's what I can do, and keep going.
Time to go put a for sale sign in the front yard.
I'm just really disappointed about the laundry room.
You're mad, I get it.
There's no turning back.
All right, guys, thank you, and I am sorry.
Goodness.
Okay?
Thank
Yeah,
you.
our deal with this now. You all right?
With time running out, Hilary puts all the money she has left to good use. Meanwhile, David thinks he's finally found Breanne and Justin the perfect house for their family to grow into.
Is Breanne gonna like this house? It's beautiful. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, open concept kitchen family room combination I think they'll love. Second floor laundry, 2-car garage. The only thing that they might not like, it's sort of close to a main road. Let's see what they think. This, to me, is an option. I think it has what you need.
Okay.
Have a look at it, all right?
Yeah.
We can do
We'll
that.
give it a shot.
Let's go. Come on in.
You have definitely toned down the fanciness.
Yes. Main floor powder room. No more, no less than what Breanne needs. Good?
Yep.
The 2-car
the
garage.
It's a very nice garage.
And let's not forget, you don't have a garage.
Correct.
You're not getting a garage. Let's go. Now, the dining room. Well, that's the way most people would use it. But for Breanne, this is going to be the craft room.
Okay. Paint the pillars. Sure.
You do want a couple of projects, correct?
Yeah.
The eat-in kitchen, family room combination, not open up too much.
This will be perfect. And then the dining room table. This is good.
I'm just in awe.
Here you have the family room.
This will work. It's not too fancy.
We're done. Let's go. And you can just go right in.
By itself.
The laundry is on the second floor, where the
That's
bedrooms
nice.
are.
I like that.
Not where the food is.
I never knew how important having a laundry room was until I was told I wasn't getting one at my house.
This is bedroom number 1, I guess, of 4.
Cute.
Right? Interesting, not cookie cutter.
That's why I like it. Yeah, it's a really cute nursery.
You ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Oh my.
Welcome back home.
Wow. It's so fresh and beautiful.
Everything already feels brighter, lighter, and airier. Let's come and see the real change.
Wow.
This is awesome.
It's so nice.
Is this really our old attic?
It is your old
but it
attic.
doesn't feel like it.
So let's start here. We have an amazing little play area. This is now clean, beautiful lights here, bringing in a sense of daylight. The teepee is like a fun, little, whimsical hideaway place. It's definitely kids' space.
This is, yeah, it's great. Oh, goodness.
Another bathroom.
Oh, this is so nice.
Like the tile?
Great.
Like the vanity?
Oh, I love it. Yes. Do you?
Oh, yeah.
This is perfect. Oh,
Hudson's bedroom.
oh my God, he's gonna love it. Dang, he's got a nice closet. Oh, this is great, Hilary. It's amazing.
This can actually be a room to grow into, and that was key.
Oh, Jude's room. Oh, it's so cute.
Lots of room, lots of storage.
Look how big his closet is.
This is awesome.
This is so great.
So there's something for you right here through those doors. Okay.
Oh, jeez.
Awesome.
Wow. Aren't you lucky?
Hilary, I gotta say, I kinda doubted you for a second, but
Love this. You've got a nice office, honey.
they kept the fireplace
Wow,
out.
that is such. Oh, the thing that was hidden in the attic.
This is awesome.
Well, let's go. There's a bit more to see.
What's this,
Take
Hilary?
a look.
Aww. It's a nursery. I didn't know we were getting a nursery, and this is just amazing. This is perfect. This is great.
Okay.
What is this? Oh, wow. A laundry room. Oh my goodness. Where'd this come from, Hilary?
Well, we ended up saving some money building the dormer instead of doing the full roof raise.
This is what a real laundry room looks like?
The house doesn't have to smell like poop anymore. This is
Wow.
Jude's old bedroom.
This was, well,
part of it.
Yeah, part of Jude's old bedroom.
Oh my gosh. These are out of the living room.
Got a rack, cabinets,
Jeez. I'm in awe.
thumbs up.
A
two
laundry
thumbs up.
room, and it makes him happy. I like that.
Hold on to the fabulousness of it, and I'm going to join you in a few minutes, and then we'll figure out what your decision is.
Decision made?
Yeah, I would say the decision is made.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to love it.
What's that? It does look great. I will give you that.
Beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Garage.
I know, but at the end of the day, even with not a two-car garage, this is my home, and I love this house.